And welcome back. Your time is 7:10 as we start off in the tropics, looking live at Tropical Storm Karen, which is just plain disorganized because of dry air feeding into this thing from the western Gulf. And we told you from the get-go, Karen was going to have a really tough time because of the dry air and the upper level wind shear that's coming in along an approaching cold front on Sunday, both of which tropical systems do not like, especially that upper level wind shear. So as we see Karen move closer and closer to our shoreline, it is going to continue to get weaker. In fact, it's projected to make landfall as a mid to low grade tropical storm. Right now, it's right in the middle with maximum sustained winds at 60 miles an hour, tracking to the northwest at 10. Now, the Hurricane Center has updated their track as of the top of the hour, and they'll do it again at 10 a.m. What's going to happen now is we are going to see Karen maintain a tropical storm strength late Saturday night into Sunday morning off the Louisiana coast, and then by dawn Sunday make landfall in our area. But that would be just on the very southern tip of Baldwin County, putting most of the panhandle getting the brunt of Tropical Storm Karen. From the center of circulation to the east is where you always see most of the rain, the isolated tornado threat, and the storm surge and potential flooding. A huge chunk of the viewing area, including the Mobile Metro and all the Mississippi counties, would be on the western side. So if you're going to Bayfest in downtown Mobile, there's a couple of things you have to factor in here. Mobile's on the western side of the center of circulation, so not going to get as much rain or wind. Then you have the factor that this is occurring late Saturday night into Sunday morning after the Saturday concerts are over and before the Sunday concerts ramp up. So that's another piece of good news for people planning to go to Bayfest. But one thing I want to caution you with, this big yellow cone is the cone of uncertainty. So we can see that center of circulation track change because landfall is not expected for the next 48 hours. So everyone needs to be on standby for this thing. But as of right now, it looks like from about Gulf Shores to Destin is where most of the rain and the worst of the weather will be as we move into Sunday morning.